Hello, my friends. We have an amazing set of additions to our Puffin Love stamps and die sets for this month. And I'm going to show you because guess what? We have this in a bundle for a limited time at not only just a flash sale price and the club discount price, but an extra discount because there's a bundle price. So let's look at the whole collection because you'll probably want to get the whole collection because you save even more. So here we go. You get the extra stamps, which are so cute. Now, these are different than our club stamps. Club stamps are on the top. The additional are on the bottom. So this kind of rounds out the whole collection. So now you have a whole Puffin family, right? So this is the add-on set. Then we have a word set. Then we have the most important of the day, the stencils. Then we also have the Iceberg. So all of these items are available for a limited time in a special collection price. If you buy the whole collection, go check out the website ASAP because once it's gone forever and you'll need to buy them all separately and then you don't save as much money. Go check it out, stampsalife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.